It is great to be here today. Essentially, it's are you living the life you want to be living? Are you living a life that is fulfilling, that you are excited to get up to in the morning and to get things going and to achieve the goals that you have set for yourself and just to live that life that you know you can be living. Maybe you are living, but maybe you're not. So I have 7 things I've shared before on this kind of 7 stages to living your accredited life. Now, once you have a good idea of where you're at and what you want to do and all those kinds of things, now you have to start to plan that. So think about, who do you need to know? What books do you need to read? What conferences do you need to go to? All that kind of stuff in order to make your dream a reality.
Well, I think the best way is just to kind of, describe how I got started in this business, which was 35 years ago. I started as a, 20-year-old high school graduate, investing in single family homes to buy, fix, and flip. I started slow like most people in this business because when I got started, I didn't know anything, I didn't know anyone, and I didn't have any money. So I managed to take that nothing business and turn it into a pretty successful business, I would think, because in those 34 years, I've managed to buy over 750 houses, over 4,000 apartment units, raise over $400 million from investors, and buy almost $1 billion in real estate. So what you're looking for is how can I get a healthy, non-correlated, meaning disconnected from conventional stock markets, bond markets, return for the risk that I'm taking, and how do I quantify what that risk is? So some of the things that I'm looking for is what is the experience of the sponsor? What is the sponsor's track record? What happened to the sponsor in the last real estate downturn? If they've never been through one, that's kind of an automatic disqualifier for me. Did they have properties go into foreclosure? Have they ever lost investor principal? I haven't really invested in anything. I haven't bought a multifamily. Multifamily is my core business. I haven't bought one in 3 years. The market collapsed in 2022, and in 21 and 22, I sold 3/4 of my portfolio, which amounted to about 3,000 apartment units, sold them right before the market collapsed. Right after I sold the last of the ones that I sold, values tanked about 20 to 40%, depending upon where and who you ask. So I managed to avoid the worst of the market downturn, and I'm not really all that interested in catching falling knives, so I've been kind of watching the game play out from the sideline.